Alright, so mga kapatid, tinaasan natin yung negative stem. Remove your hand rin, remove your hand. Yung negative stem, ginawa natin positive. Kaya mas upright na yung pwesto ni ring. Oh. Why did you go down? You can go down there eh. There you go, bukas pa bag mo. Oh, dito!